Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. Welcome in this very small short video about how to log into your WordPress website. This video I get now and then from new people, students, clients, whatever, and they ask me, okay Gus, I have bought my domain name, I have installed WordPress, etc., but how on earth can I log into the dashboard of my website? For the more advanced people, this is more or less normal, very easy, but new people, for them it's new, they don't know how to log into their website. So let's jump into my screen. I will show you because it's really easy. So I have just set up a test website, this one. So really easy. We just type this admin, you see this, we hit enter. What do we see here? Okay, in my case I'm using a password manager, so it's already giving me the credentials. So but for you guys, all you have to do is fill in the username, the password, then hit login, and boom, as you see, I don't save my password here. Now we are logged into the dashboard, as you see, dashboard. So this is the correct link. So in your case, all you have to type is this, easy peasy, right? So then of course, this is in Dutch, so don't mind that. In your case, it will be in English or your local language. So really short and simple video, like I have shared. So that's all for this small video. If you have other questions or topics you want me to make a video about, just comment below. Thank you guys.